Welcome back to English Learning. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the latest updates. In this video, I will explain modals. So, what is the meaning of modals, or you can say modal verbs? Modals are also called modal verbs or modal auxiliary verb or modal auxiliaries. They are special verbs which behave differently from normal verbs. So basically modal verb type of verb है जो use होता है modality को indicate करने के लिए. Modality means likelihood, ability, permission, request, suggestion, order, and so on. Modal verbs include can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would, ought to. मोडाल्स यूज़ होते हैं दूसरे वर्ब्स के साथ एबिलिटी, ऑब्लिगेशन, पॉसिबिलिटी, परमिशन, एडवाइस को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए. नाउ लुक एट द फॉलोइंग एग्जाम्पल्स. फर्स्ट इज़ कैन आई ओपन द विंडो. क्या मैं विंडो ओपन कर सकती हूँ? मैं परमिशन ले रही हूँ विंडो ओपन करने के लिए. सो नाउ यू मस्ट बी कन्फ्यूज्ड कि मैंने कैन यूज़ क्यों किया. यहाँ मे मोडाल भी तो यूज़ हो सकता है. मे मोडाल फॉर्मल सिचुएशंस में यूज़ होता है टू एक्सप्रेस परमिशन, और कैन इनफॉर्मल सिचुएशंस में यूज़ होता है. आई विल डिस्कस द यूजेस ऑफ ऑल द टाइप्स ऑफ मोडाल्स इन डिटेल इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. So next is I must go now. This is an obligation. Obligation means a duty or commitment of a person to do something. So in this sentence, must is used to make a command in a more respected way. Next is you should stop smoking. So this is an advice. Should is used to make a suggestion or advice. Next, may I sit down please? मैं परमिशन ले रही हूँ बैठने के लिए. एंड ऑल्सो दिस इज़ अ फॉर्मल सिचुएशन, दैट्स वाई मे मोडाल इज़ यूज्ड. अगर इनफॉर्मल सिचुएशन होती तो कैन मोडाल यूज़ होता, जैसे फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में यूज़ हुआ था. नेक्स्ट इज़ आई कैन स्पीक अ लिटिल पंजाबी. दिस इज़ एन एबिलिटी इन द सेंस ऑफ नोइंग हाउ और बीइंग एबल टू डू समथिंग. सो कैन इज़ यूज्ड. Now, how modal verbs are different from other verbs? First is modal verbs do not take S in the third person. Third person point of view belongs to the person or people being talked about, like he, him, his, himself, she, her, hers, herself, it, its, itself, they, them, their, theirs and themselves. जब भी थर्ड पर्सन की बात हो रही हो तब मोडाल वर्ब्स में एस नहीं लगता. कैन स्पीक इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, यू यूज नॉट टू मेक मोडाल वर्ब्स नेगेटिव इवन इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट एंड सिंपल पास्ट. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर मोडाल वर्ब्स को नेगेटिव बनाना हो तब नॉट यूज़ करेंगे इवन इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट एंड सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही शुड नॉट बी लेट. सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव बनाने के लिए मोडाल के साथ नॉट यूज़ हुआ है. Next is many modal verbs cannot be used in the past tenses or the future tenses. बहुत से ऐसे modal verbs हैं जो past tense and future tense में use नहीं होते. For example, he will can go with us. So this sentence is wrong. Future tense में will के साथ modal नहीं लग सकता. Next, she musted study very hard. So this sentence is wrong. Past tense में modal verb नहीं use हो सकता इसमें. Musted is not a word. Now there are some characteristics of modal verbs. First is modal verbs अपनी form change नहीं करते. You can't add s, ed or ing. Next is they are always followed by an infinitive without to. The infinitive is used without to after modal auxiliary verbs will, shall, would, should, can, could, may, might and must. आपको एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू क्लियर हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट इज़ द एग्जाम्पल? एग्जाम्पल इज़ इट माइट रेन लेटर इन द इवनिंग. सो दिस सेंटेंस इज़ करेक्ट. अगर हम टू इन्फिनेटिव लगाएंगे इस सेंटेंस में मोडाल वर्ब के साथ तो कैसा होगा? इट माइट टू रेन लेटर इन द इवनिंग. सो दिस सेंटेंस इज़ रॉन्ग. फर्स्ट वन इज़ करेक्ट. Next characteristic is modal verbs are used to indicate modality, that is they allow speakers to express certainty, possibility, willingness, obligation, necessity, ability and so on. Now look at the given table. Modal verbs are divided according to their type and also examples are given so that आपको easily समझ आ जाए. Now look at the first type, that is ability. Ability means skill or talent to do something. Can, could are the modal verbs in this category. Look at the examples. Rahul can play piano. So can is used to show ability in the sense of knowing how or being able to do something. Next, when I was younger, I could run fast. Could is used to show ability in the past. Next type is advice. Advice means guidance or recommendation. Should or ought to are the modal verbs in this type. Look at the examples. You should or ought to revise your lessons. So this is the advice given to someone that you should revise your lessons. Should or ought to makes a suggestion or advice. Next type is permission. Permission means consent or authorization. Can, could, may are the modal verbs in this type. Now look at the examples. Can I use your phone please? Can is used in informal situations to express permission in the sense of being allowed to do something. Could I open the window? Could is used to express or inquire about permission or willingness in a more polite form. Next, may I borrow your pen? May is used in formal situations to express permission in the sense of being allowed to do something. So you must have noticed कि can informal situations में use होता है और may formal situations में use होता है. Next type is possibility. Possibility means chance or likelihood. Might, may, could, can are the modal verbs in this type. Look at the examples. It looks nice but it might be very expensive. Might is used to express possibility in the past, present or future. So in this sentence might is used to express possibility in the present. Next, Vidushi may be coming to see us tomorrow. In this sentence may is used to express possibility in the future. Next, it could rain tomorrow. Could is used to identify a possibility in the future. Next, smoking can cause cancer. Can is used to show possibility in the sense that an action is theoretically possible. Next type is obligation. Obligation means a duty or commitment of a person to do something. Must and have to are the modal verbs in this type. Look at the examples. You must stop when traffic lights turn red. Must is used to make a command in a more respectful way. Next, you have to take off your shoes before you get into the temple. Have to mainly expresses general obligations while must is used for specific obligations. So this was all about modal verbs. I will explain all the uses of each and every modal verb in my next video. So till then stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel and also add me on Instagram. My Insta ID is given in the description box. Thank you.